Hello friends, welcome to Senior to Junior Academy. So friends, the notification for the technical graduate course is being out, and this is the 132nd course at Indian Military Academy for this TGC. Friends, please note that this course will commence from January 2021 and it is a permanent commission entry for the Indian Army. This TGC entry is being conducted twice a year, and also SSC Tech is being conducted twice a year. The difference between these two entries is that SSC Tech is a short service commission entry where the training commences at the OTA Chennai, whereas the TGC is a permanent commission entry and its training conducts at the IMA Dehradun. So friends, before applying for this entry, you must go through this eligibility criteria. Again, the age limit is same, that is from 20 to 27 years. So the candidate who are born between 2nd January 94 and 1st January 2001, both that inclusive, are eligible to apply for this entry. Friends, this year they have introduced different engineering stream in TGC. That is a good thing actually. So you can see that vacancy almost it's same, that is the vacancy is actually 40, but the thing is that you can see mechanical vacancy every time the vacancy is almost 4, but this year they have reduced to 3 and they have added a engineering stream, automobile engineering. That is good to see, because as far as I remember from 2016, earlier before 2016, SSC Tech used to have two vacancy for automobile, but from 2017 I guess these automobile vacancies has been eliminated in SSC Tech, and TGC never had the automobile vacancies. So this year they have introduced automobile engineering, that is a good thing, and also different engineering branches, that is aerospace, laser technology. This has been introduced this year. So overall you can see, as if I go through, like you have civil 10 vacancies, architect 1 vacancies, mechanical 3 vacancies, electrical and electronics 4, computer science 9, electronics and telecommunication 6 vacancy, aeronautical 2, aerospace 1, nuclear technology 1, automobile 1, laser technology 1, industrial and manufacturing 1. So overall there are 40 vacancies. So these vacancies are tentative and may change depending upon the organization requirement. Friends, note number 2 is very important, that sometimes what happens is that you are recommended but you are not in the merit list. So what happens is that sometimes you get the offer to join in the SSC Tech course in the next subsequent course. That is, if this course like TGC is starting in January, then April course of SSC Tech you get the offer to join the course in OTA Chennai. So friends, these were the important thing that I wanted to discuss in this notification. Rest it is same, that the training schedule is for 49 weeks. These all everything you know, and this is the thing that I wanted to discuss. Rest you can go through the notification. Everything is almost same. How to apply, what are the medical standard, what are the documents that you need to produce in the SSB. So friends, one important thing that I would like to discuss here, that certain universities has this CGPA system. So what you can do is that you have to get a certificate which states that what is the equivalent point in percentage. Like you want, if you should have a conversion certificate basically. So this is the important thing that at the time of SSB they ask. So friends, this is all about this in this notification. So friends, I thank you all for watching. Share knowledge, share success, and importantly last date is, you should remember, is that it is 22nd August. Before that you have to apply. So friends, Jai Hind, thank you for watching.